Hey everyone, so we're going to go ahead and start coding our intro screen. So to do this, we're going to go into the yellow events tab, and we're going to use when green flag is clicked. We want to go into looks, and we want to make sure that it's show, so that we can see it. Next, we want to go into our blue motions tab, and we're going to add a go to X and Y. We're going to make this both 0, 0, just to make sure, again, when I click on it, if I move it by accident, when I click on my green flag again, it just snaps back into place. So I'm able to see it. I know exactly that it's going to snap back into place if I move it accidentally. What's the next thing I want to do? Well, I want to make sure it's all the way at the top so I don't accidentally move something from the game. So to do this, I'm going to go into looks, scroll down, and I'm going to add a go to front layer. And then I'll do a go forward 100 for right now. Okay. So now that I have this, the next thing I want to make sure is that when I click on the play, I'm able to hide this. So to do that, I'm going to go back to the yellow events tab, and I'm going to add when this sprite clicked. I'm going to go into looks, and I'm going to hide. So let's make sure that this works. So I'm going to stop and click on my green flag. I click on play and it hides, and here I am on my game. Now, here's the thing. My game is still able to play even underneath this, even though we can't see it. So we want to make sure that that's not able to happen. So when this sprite is clicked, we are going to go to the yellow events tab. We're going to broadcast a message, and we're going to click on new, and we're going to call this play game. And we're going to click on OK. So it's going to broadcast play game. So that's going to activate everything. So for my player, all of these that start when green flag is clicked, we're actually going to disconnect it and swap it out for when I receive play game. So now this won't happen until we actually play, we actually click the button, we're able to actually play the game. Okay. So now that we've done that, I'm going to click on my green flag, click on play. Now this is a little bit better. Now, we don't have to have it hide automatically. We can actually make it a transition, and that would make it even nicer. So to do this, we're going to go into control. We're going to add a repeat 10, and we're going to add this at the bottom. Okay. We're going to go into looks, and we're going to go ahead and change our ghost effect by 10. So if we test this out, okay, so it was a little bit fast, so we can go ahead and add wait 1 second if we wanted to. The other thing is that once we change it to ghost effect, we want to make sure that it clears it up for us. So you see it's starting to hide. So maybe we can make this a little bit faster. So I'll do 0.5, so that's half of the second. So let's do that again. Could be a little bit faster. Let's try 0.05 instead. Okay, that's a bit better. And just to make sure that nothing happens by accident, where we can't see it, just in case, we're going to go back into looks. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to add a set color. We're going to add a clear graphic effect at the very bottom, just to make sure that when we start, we don't have to worry about this already still being hidden from us. Okay, so now we have our play button. We're able to play our game when it starts, and we're able to move our player. And that's going to be it for week 1.